Hello guys, this is Mark from ALWAYSSOLD123. Alright, 2015 Cooper Works package, Mini Cooper, 30,000 miles, I think 35,000 miles, automatic transmission, convertible. Look at this car, guys, take a look. Hopefully you like it. Not so many with these packages, Mini Coopers. We do have another 14 with 11,000 miles. Take a look, guys. That's a 15 with 33 or 35,000 miles. Headlights, xenons, you can see it right here. Okay, we got a Bridgestone tires here. You got brake pads at least 50%. You have some dings right here. Take a look. It was probably parked in the garage in a small space. Wow, look at that. John Cooper Works package with the side skirts and the bumpers. Bridgestone tires here. The actually tires are very good, guys. This is the car on the bottom. Take a look. All right, and I'm gonna go show you the car from this part. Please make sure you see everything and you like what you're buying. All right, that's your top. The window is good. All right, it's not falling down, and the top of course works and it's good. Here's your door panel. Door panel is beautiful. Seats nice, no cracks in the seats. Dashboard is good. Navigation, automatic transmission, cold air conditioner because I just drove the car. You got a back seat, top, everything good. All right, let's go on the other side. Okay, so we got the trunk space right here. All right, guys, keep in mind everything that we sell is sold as this. All right, so this vehicle is sold as this. Taxes, fees, and registration is not included in the price. This is sold. Once again, if you guys don't understand, everything that we sell in here in Florida in general, any dealers in Florida, they're sold as this. Everything is sold as this. Even if it has a warranty, manufacturer, if you go to the Honda dealer or somebody, Mini Cooper dealer, probably will still be sold as this. That's how it's done. That's how you buy it. All right, so let's start the car. Okay, 33,523 with miles. EC is super cool. Does have a navigation unit. Okay, it has I don't see any books, so there's no books. You got bunch of aux, USB, you know, usual stuff for Mini Cooper. Okay, so we're gonna operate the roof now. Let's try it. Okay, that's the first position. This is the second. Yay. Amazing. Okay, so you got the thing. Once you open the roof, it will show you when it was open. Okay, so we're gonna open up the hood. Now this is your door panel, guys. It has some kind of scratched up interior here. Okay, and the door, maybe of somebody who would will open the door in a small garage, maybe they will always see something here. Look at that. Okay, guys, keep that in mind. Take a look at the video. Make sure you're happy with everything. If you're not happy, guys, if you're not happy, you know, we'll make you happy. That's all it is. But if you're not happy with the car, simply just, you don't have to buy it. It's very easy. And it looks like maybe these pieces like supposed to be like the actual plastic piece on top. I gotta double check on that. Okay, so let's open the hood. Open up the hood. Very nice. We got coolant. No rust here. No rust here. Sounds very good. Typical Mini Cooper. What I like about this car, it's a convertible, low miles, and Cooper Works package. It looks beautiful. Literally, I think it's the very good looking, sexy Cooper. Okay, The Carfax will be available on our website, which is alwayssold123.com. If it has any damages or any kind of accidents, take a look. It'll be there on the Carfax. Please look at the Carfax. Make sure, once again, you're happy with what you buy. We don't have any other red convertible. This is the only one we have. So whatever we're gonna have for this vehicle, we will advertise on our website. Guys, my name is Mark. Once again, I wanted to tell you thank you so much for watching my video. God bless and bye bye. Oi, I forgot to close the roof for you guys. You're gonna ask me that question, so I decided to actually put the roof up so we don't have that question. Okay, windows closed, roof closed. All right, thank you guys, bye bye.